I'm going to give the ducks a watermelon treat, and there's a lot of watermelon juice in there too. And let's see if they go for it. Ducks! Of course, you know the chickens are going to be here like in 2 seconds. Here, ducks! Oliver! Oliver! That's a special treat. Ooh! He's after her. Oh, the chickens are getting theirs too. Oliver's back for more. That's real easy for the ducks to eat. Come on, Angel. Come in there and get some. Come on, Angel. She's got the angel wings sticking out. That's her sister Buttercup next to her. Well, no, Oliver got a lot. And the chickens are getting a lot. I have it cut up in little cubes. Signing out for Billy Sparks Farm, where a good time was had by all.